Hello, I'm Bill Gates. In this video, you're going to see the future.
Google and NASA have teamed up to share one of the world's first commercial quantum computers. This machine, made by Canada's D-Wave, will be installed in a NASA research center in California.
Every once in a while, a revolutionary product comes along that changes everything.
They're trained using reinforcement learning, an algorithm inspired by the way animals on Earth learn. The agents play thousands of rounds of hide-and-seek in parallel for many days. They train against each other, as well as past versions of themselves, using an algorithm called self-play. These agents have just begun learning, but they've already learned to chase and run away.
These are not three separate devices. This is one device. And we are calling it iPhone.
At AWS, we completely reinvented the way that companies buy computation.
Computer graphics will never be the same again. Inside Turing is 18.9 billion transistors. This GPU, this chip, is the second largest chip the world has ever made.